When you start out in web development, you quickly realize it's not just about writing code, it's about how efficiently you do it. The right VS Code extensions don't just speed you up, they actually prevent those tiny, annoying mistakes that kill your productivity. Today, I'm sharing the extensions I use every single day that solved real-world problems for me. Number 1. Live Server. The problem. In the beginning, I used to manually refresh my browser every time I made a change. Change a color, Alt-Tab, refresh. It was exhausting and honestly a waste of time. The solution. Live Server fixes this instantly. The moment I hit Save, my browser updates automatically. I just right-click my index.html, select Open with Live Server, and focus entirely on the code. It's a total game changer for your workflow. Number 2. Prettier, code formatter. The problem. Let's be honest, when we're in a rush, our code gets messy. Uneven indents, random spaces, it looks unprofessional. The solution. That's where Prettier comes in. It's my personal editor. I have Format on Save enabled, so every time I save my file, Prettier automatically cleans everything up. It keeps my code consistent, readable, and professional without me even thinking about it. Number 3. Auto Rename. Tag. The problem. One of the most common frustrations in HTML is changing an opening tag but forgetting to update the closing tag. It leads to broken layouts and unnecessary debugging. The solution. Auto Rename tag takes care of this. You change the opening tag, and it automatically updates the closing one in real time. It's a small detail, but it saves you from so many "why is my HTML broken" moments. Number 4. Bracket Pair Colorizer 2. The problem. When you're working with deeply nested code, trying to figure out which bracket belongs to which function can be a nightmare. The solution. This extension color codes matching pairs of brackets, parentheses, and braces. It makes the structure of your code visually intuitive, so you can debug and read through logic much faster. Note: this feature is now built into VS Code, but many still refer to it by this name. Number 5. Color Highlight. The problem. When writing CSS, it's hard to visualize what a hex code like number 6C63FF actually looks like without opening a color picker. The solution. Color Highlight overlays the actual color directly on the code. It makes styling much more visual and intuitive, no extra tools required. These aren't just random tools. They are the extensions that genuinely made me a better developer. You don't need to install all of them at once. Just start with a few and see how they fit your workflow. What about you? Is there an extension you can't live without? Let me know in the comments. I'm always looking for new ways to level up my setup. See you in the next one.